Okay, so I decided to use the same seed from last time because, hey, it's my playthrough, so I do whatever I want. So, everything should be the same. Um, those stupid douches better not just like attack me for no reason. Dude, what the fuck? What is this bullshit? Okay, so I've just gathered valuable information. So apparently, these Aegis things, they protect the villagers. So if I open the chest, which I did right away, they attacked me. Because it assumed I was robbing them, and I guess technically I was. But I've seen people say that even if you open your own chests near them, they'll just attack you anyway. So I'm assuming they spawn there as well too. So it's not like I just could kill them all. So we'll go the fourth frontier. There we go. Okay, so we're back again. So this time we're at least gonna. So we're still gonna do this. Blah blah blah. Okay, so if we don't open the chest, I guess then they won't attack us, right? Why is that still up there? Okay, it's just lagging a lot. Fung. Fung the Fletcher. Alright. Sup? Okay. So, now that we don't have to worry about those douches attacking us, we should be fine. Jin. Ooh, stubborn personality. I don't actually. Okay, I was about to say. Okay, so they're not gonna attack us now, right? Yeah. So we could probably just raid the chest on the way out, to be perfectly honest. But then I'm not sure if we could like return. I'm sure once they like despawn, are they gonna attack me if I break a block? Let's find out. Anything? I guess not. Oh, that makes sense. That's why they were attacking the zombies, and they're kind of like iron golems in that sense. But so apparently I was reading on the wiki. Actually, the wiki itself doesn't offer a ton of information like at all. But I read in the comments someone said that you can, if you gain the villagers' trust, then you can they'll trust you, and then you can kind of steal their stuff. What happens if I break this? Nothing? Alright. I'm not sure if their profession affects it very much in terms of like benefits. Yeah, but I want to kill these sheep. So hopefully we can get some wool for some nice warm clothes. Bop, 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 bop. Okay. I think we have enough for like a hat now. Are there any more around? Yeah, there's one over there. We'll go see what that. Well, there's a fire over there. Okay, this should give us enough for like pants. What is that? I don't want to mess with that. Like last time, I saw something that I shouldn't have messed with. I wasn't even near it. Why is that? What are those? Is it the same thing? I think it is. That is a weird noise. really afraid it's just gonna sneak up on me. Alright, I have enough for like a body, so that's good. And I have a good bit of food. I'm just gonna bust up their houses right here. I'm gonna need some sand too, possibly. I'm just gonna take these. I can plant them later. Oh, I just realized, yeah, I wasn't paying attention to the temperature, but we seem like in a pretty good climate. Because I'm actually warm. What the what is that attacking? It's attacking a villager. Shouldn't the things attack it then? Alright, yeah. That dude's super dead. I'm locked in its sights. Alright. Yeah, go attack someone else. Is nobody gonna step in? Okay, that thing's... They're gonna have like a battle. Whoa. Oh, that thing still has like full health. It's almost killed that other thing. Is it? Alright, cool. It's coming after me. I'm really hoping one of these things attacks it. Please, go get it. Go get it. Go get it. Yes, go attack it. Okay, it still wants me, but why? Is it dead? It just disappeared. Oh, it's still fighting? I don't know. This whole situation's weird. I don't know where it's dropped from. Oh. There you go, bud. Quentin. I think I'll be just about done with this village. I don't think there's much left here for me. Oh god, there's another one. I'm actually gonna hang out around these guys now that I know how they work, so they can protect me. Why is it glowing? I'm gonna go cut down a big tree over there because I have like a timber type mod. Some cool stuff down there. There's some coal. I think I actually want that. Please, please do not have something kill me. Okay, there's a zombie there, but that's fine. Heard something really unsettling. I think we're safe though. Just gonna plug that up too. Get some warmth from this. Uh-oh, that's not good. What do these do? Alright, I guess we'll learn about that when it's time to do that. What is it? Oh, I'm thirsty. God. Real quick, I'm gonna make this. This will keep us nice and warm and fairly safe. Anything that wants to come mess with us will just knock into the lava. Oh, what was that? Please don't die. Please don't die. Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me. No, no, no.